Have you ever had a burning rash on just one side of the face or one side of the body, which worsens as it increases in size? Well, you might be suffering from herpes zoster, or commonly known as shingles. Shingles is caused by reactivation of the chickenpox virus, which had been hiding in your nerves for so many years, and it wakes up in case of low immunity, aging, or stress. Now, how can one spot a shingles lesion? Firstly, even before the lesion comes on the skin, there is a bit of tingling and burning sensation. The lesion is in the form of fluid filled vesicles, which are usually grouped together and are usually present on one side of the body. The lesions crust in next 1 to 2 weeks. What are the complications associated with this problem? Firstly, if appearing on the skin, the area of the skin that is involved can have scarring. Secondly, there can be a long-term nerve pain in that associated region, which is also known as post-herpetic neuralgia. And thirdly, if it is involving the region of the eye, it can lead to decrease or total loss of vision as well. What are the myths associated with shingles? Well, people think that if they come in contact with someone who has shingles, they will also get it. Well, that is not possible. But if you come in contact with the fluid of this virus, you can get chickenpox. How can we prevent shingles? There is a vaccine which is known as Shingrix, which is available in the form of 2 doses at least 2 months apart. People who are either more than 50 years of age or more than 19 years of age in case of low immunity are the ones who can take this vaccine. So, in case you want to get your herpes zoster treated or you want a shot of Shingrix vaccine, kindly contact us.